Welcome to another episode where we learn about 신조어, which are recently made Korean words. And today's first word is 인싸. This is a shortened version of the word 인사이더 or insider, and it's used to refer to someone who likes hanging out with and who gets along well with other people. So an 인싸 or insider is someone who's a really social person. This word originated in 2017 but only started getting popular around the summer of 2018. In fact, the word 인사이더 originally sprung up from its opposite word, 아웃사이더. This word means outsider, and it's been used in Korea for years before insider. Someone who is 아웃사이더, which is shortened to just 아싸, is someone who likes hanging out alone without any friends. So 아싸 is kind of like a loner or an introvert, and 인싸 is more like an extrovert. Both of these words are typically only used by teenagers and young adults, and especially by college students. So you can use these words to call yourself or your friends insiders and outsiders. Here are two examples. 나는 인싸보다는 아싸지. I'm more of an introvert than an extrovert. 누나는 인싸잖아요. This one would be to an older female friend. But you're like a social butterfly. So, are there any other new words you'd like me to explain? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And remember that I upload new videos to this channel every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.